Check it out. This is the greatest personal fan you've ever seen. It does come from Japan. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Get it out of there. Ooh, look at that. There it is. Check it out. You can see it does USB-C, USB regular. And to open it, you grab it by the ears, push this like this. There's a little thing right here. Pull it, and out she comes. There it is. And look, watch. Oh yeah, it's got different speeds too, watch. Faster. So first speed, second speed, then off. All right, these fold down, then you just turn it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to put it away. You can even just put it back in the box if you want. Just like that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.